Wala.
Nice.
You know my balls.
Kasi ako nagamit yan eh.
Roland Ingelio siya, kaya mo yan, Chong.
You know?
Yung
Nakatakas.
You know, is my editing is I can stop loving you. Because I'm
Listen TV, you are so much and very wrong.
Yes.
my
We will never
Going to
nose is bleeding.
we will never slide the tulay when we go home. Because our pupil is already
behind the
used by
scene.
Kanoto. Already.
You know? Kanoto is behind the scene.
I did know. Last night.
Ay, alam
You know?
Jasmine. TikTok
What?
mo, Tito, galing niyo pa.
Because
Oy, mga ini. Wala na tayong tinatagay.
Shout out sa Medo, shout out.
You Tusing.
you know,
Tusing Nino.
Ang
This
English
is
ng
my
tusing
son.
is kuan. Andy player.
it will.
Ay, sorry.
Yeah. You're very hungry. Tusing is blind.
Ah, okay.
Kuwedang is very laughing.
Tusing in English shots.
Shot.
Tusing.
You know, toasting.
Tusing daw is blind.
Alam TV Travel Vlog, hello. Oy, 442 viewers, shout out.
Wow.
Ano yan? Si Kanuto na lang hindi nag-shoutout sa akin sa buong Soward family. Hi po, Boss Pablo, shoutout. Catalina Donado. Wala. later. Don't worry, Catalina. Ha? Later.
You know, stay here in Kabunoto because I'm abay about Idol Japper.
Marami kumakain mamaya.
You know, this time is
Hindi pa pwede. Saya sa Turay, nakasama sana dito. May update sana si mga Turay.
you know, and my update is
You know, basta.
Kabunoto because I'm midnight.
Mel, Shouty, good evening everyone.
Kuya Dang is very
Nakakapagbaga.
Ansam.
dangerous.
Kala ko mabait ang sasabihin mong walang yan.
You know, get news.
Matusing ka na nga.
No, is get
I get it on.
curious.
Anong serious?
You know, is curious. Yun, is very curious.
Serious.
Kongkong.
Serious.
Ah?
Serious. Very serious.
Very serious. No, I'm not serious person.
Yun.
Bidang is very happy.
I'm comedy.
Ayan.
Komedyante.
You know, is Kuya Dang is very friendly.
Yes, friendly.
Any kind of friendly because I'm lying.
Hoy! Nabulangan nyo! Tahiin nyo!
Walang iya.
Lovely, it's my daughter. You know, it's my family or part of family because you know. Toilet libre.
Tulog lang. Sino nag-picture niyan?
You know.
Kita pa Facebook nila.
Oh my God. So my daughter is step official. Ayan. It's my daughter.
Shout out po.
Ayan.
Ay, may natagpuan daw doon. Natagpuan daw doon sa komunito.
Thank you so much.
welcome po kayo. Welcome po sila dito guys.
Thank you my daughter. Thank you.
Ay, English nga pala.
Wala, tulog na normal.
Welcome, tatay to.
You know, I would like to say
Kasi kakain si Kuya Kabansot.
thank you so much to all my viewers and my subscriber. Thank you. Especially to my daughter and son, Eric J. and Eric J. Corpus, and my daughter, May Santos vlog. Thank you so much to all my support. I love you many more. And also to my many supporter and many sponsor. Thank you to all support. And Team Kasanga, thank you so much. I love you, Team Chongki and others. I love you many more. And my friends and my brother, Quezon, to my supportive to my channel. Thank you so much to all many brother. I love you. Thank you so much. You know, it's a drink of wine. Especially to my my friends Monkey Woman, my friends Meron Buwang, my friends Fernando Bonifacio, my friends other friends Rosa Gayon. Thank you so much to all our support. And my grandmother, you know, grandmother is Ninang Rio Velasco. It's that's right.
I want to eat.
Oh.
I love you so much for our support.
Can I try a little bit?
All,
I think it's very good smell.
to all my support. I know this time. This is my friend, Roger Bahaw. Yan.
Mas maganda yata lagi umiinom ka.
You know how is my support to all my brothers. I'm very proud of my brothers because I'm talking English, little English, because I'm saying to my
Ready to eat.
Cut.
okay,
Bro, stop recording.
That's right. I'm very hungry. My son
Hungry.
very hungry because it's no eating in fast food or anything else.
Masarap. Rate 1
Eating
to 10.
fast food.
Wow!
Attorney, where are you going? How about your Kanuto Kobo?
I'm busy to eat.
I'm busy. Why?
No, attorney. This is my brother.
Oh no.
Yes.
You know my dress is attorney.
You want is a Bible study now.
It's
Before eating it.
it's a Mormon. Mormon, English, Mormon. Bible studies, Mormon. Mormon. Is a Bible studies, Mormon.
Relax lang kayo, Steve. Puro kayo, vlog. Doon, yung cover girl ba sa Manila? Cover girl yung may mga banda.
Aray ko.
Kaya mong maiwan si Steph.
Of course.
Kasama yun, siyempre.
Ay, Oh, yun.
Bakit di ba mo ko? Grabe ka.
Tinatanong ko siya.
Hindi, hindi,
Oy! Oy!
pagbalik naman, pagbalik ay dalawang McDo.
Oy!
Ay, di ayaw
Oy!
na ng McDo.
Hey.
Di ba sabi niya, dalawang McDo? Para hindi ka na mas magaling pagtutulit pa tayo ng dalawang McDo.
Hey. Okay, my daughter Steph is already because is very too much.
And if you are the beginners of this YT channel, you are just click and see.
Inspiration to my
the notification
to
bell.
my
Just click
vlog.
and subscribe,
You
share,
know?
like, and click the notification bell.
Oh my God.
Always updated on my video. Basic news video.
I think your lunch. Oh, Ali.
Ali?
Ali.
Unlimited.
530 viewers in the house.
You know, 500.
Okay, number one.
Ang dami kasi nila.
David.
Ay, si Mark Jungay, gusto ko kasama sa kubo. Ay, kasama natin natin tao.
Ay, si Chari. Chari, rate mo, rate.
Tita Au.
Rate it, you rate it.
Mark Juwaray, you is there in Kubo.
Are you in the Mahiwagang Kubo or in the kung saan
Play.
nila Tita Au? Are
Play.
you there or still there? Oh.
Play.
You still there.
You know,
May battery is
my friends.
Don't, Barbet.
I will support to my friends Kahaw because I'm very slow your views and my revenue and other chong is
Kumain na kayo? Nila Tita Au? Mark Juwaray?
it's okay. You know, you hire for you in my videographer.
No.
Dina.
Ayan, kumain na naman siya.
Don't forget to eat your Dina.
Hey,
Ipagsabihin mo kay Rhea, si Mark Jungay naiwan doon sa kubo, baka mahiyang pumunta na dyan para makakain.
Nagsain na. Nagsain, baka walang ulam yun.
Sabi mo, samahan muna sa kubo.
hey,
Idol vlog.
I can stop myself because I'm a vlog.
Mark Juwaray! Tapos na daw siya. Tapos na.
May ulam ba sa'yo?
Lilibet, shout out po.
Hello, Ninang! Ay! Si Maymay! Oh!
Oy!
Maymay, how are you?
Sige.
My team Kabungot.
Oh, yung team kabungot.
How are you, Maymay? Official. How are... Still beautiful or... How are you and...
How are you today?
Idol Jeffrey at Navi. Is it...
Good or not?
looking forward?
12 minutes later.
Kumain na sila doon? Ha? May pagkain na sila doon?
Oh, kumain na daw siya.
Okay na pala, kumain na pala.
Very nice to hear.
Kumain na pala doon.
Susapam, shout out.
Teka, iba pa siya, ano ko lang,
Viewers na.
Jilin, nakalens ka bungot.
Andyan nakalens ka bungot.
You know guys, I can stop loving you because I'm
Kahit sa cellphone no.
a jingle. GoPro stop recording.
Sige na, bye-bye.
GoPro stop recording.
We are 40 viewers.
GoPro stop recording.
Magla-live na ako.
Habol. Habol.
You know, stop. GoPro stop recording.
Kabandira na yan.
GoPro stop recording.
Stop recording.
We will also live.
GoPro, stop recording.
Leave it.
GoPro, stop recording.
Kim Edward Cortez, shout out.
Alright.
Mariam
Dahil bawal Tagalog.
Christian.
are you dito? I'm fine. I'm fine.
Sabi ni Jan Trayon, shout out daw kay Jan.
Mini wine.
Yung balagbag
Shout
dito.
out! Yahoo! Let's go!
At ayun,
Super vlogs.
kampay! 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 Oh.
Kaso kailangan, magaling-galing ang magpaano niya.
Dala-dala na ni Idol Wi-Fi niya kaya walang hindi, nandito tayo kay Kanuto, malakas ang Wi-Fi dito.
Ito, pinaka-
Okay guys.
Meron ako, ano, may hindi na Wi-Fi.
Pero sa ibabaw.
Wanna beat
Oh, yeah, reconnecting.
Oh.
Sabi lang eh.
Yo. Pag binabaw.
Kasasabi ko na nag-loading tuloy. Pero okay na.
Oh.
What?
War. War. World War 3.
Diga.
Huwag ka na.
Mas maganda yan. Doon sa taas lagyan. Hindi, medyo mahirap din kasi.
Oo, napano. Wala, loading nga. Ba't naglalag no?
Nako. It's very ano.
Team Gonggong tayo.
I can stop loving you.
Sa revenue, ang ating number 4 ay ang ating number 4 ay si Kahaw. Ba?
Uy, congrats Kahaw. Kahaw, congrats.
Loading naman.
Iagtag bali mo kuya, ikuha saan mo itong close tag na itong...
Yun, live na naman. Okay na ulit.
Wala signal.
Hindi kaya yung tatanggalin mo muna ang aking ano,
Ano ko?
i-refresh ko.
Iwan ko.
Hindi, okay na yun. Hindi, kasi may electric fan.
Malamig.
Hindi, saglit na naman siya nag-loading. Ulit!
Hindi na, kaso wala na yun.
No more.
Okay na!
No more cigarettes.
So, number 4 ay si Kahaw. $200. Okay? Number 3, Chong Luis. $264.
Yo, tall supporter. Thank you.
Number 2, Kabansot. $272. Oh, disgrasya ang 20 mil.
Pero 200 ang 400, di ba? Ang pinangay na.
Wala siya pa ang 20 mil.
Ang kailangan na nila ay makaabot sila ng $400 bago hindi na po yun kahit papasok sila sa 50,000 views. So dapat 50,000 views at saka $400.
I was dying inside. Idol.
Ngayon naman ay doon tayo sa revenue ng Subasco. Doon tayo sa revenue ng... Ito, napakaganda po nito. Subasco. Ito, napakaganda. Number 20. Yung mga kasabard ha. I see.
You know?
Jen. Agravante. $39. $500 dapat tayo ngayon.
Before anything else, I thank you so much to all my viewers. Thank you.
Yung agravante to.
And
$147.
I can stop now because
18.
you know, GoPro stop recording. Song is go out, go in inside because
Kasi hindi mo detect.
Asawa,
I know my life is stop because I'm
too much.
I know I
who have nothing.
You know,
who
is-
have no one.
I'm going to have...
You what to say?
because I'm very fast. Your rides.
I love you. Tat 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 tat.
You know, is
Ratat tat tat. Too much love will kill you.
para lang
Oh, para lang don't expect too much. It's better quality like here ah. So this is what you
Look is Bible study.
Okay. Let's go now. There's no intro, there's no outro. Let's straight ahead. Bye-bye.
It's Chong Louis time. Oras na ni Chong Louis, Chong Louis ng Bukana. Tayo'y magsama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Louis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-fishing, mag-adventure tayo, mamangka with Idol Chong. Kasamang Idol Jopper at Kasword family. Doon sa Fortune Island, mamasyal with family. Pagkagandang tanawin, it's so beautiful to see. Oras na ni Chong Louis, Chong Louis ng Bukana. Tayo'y magsama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Louis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-follow na kay Chong Louis. Saan man sa mundo, mag-subscribe na kayo. Chong Louis. Chong Louis. Mag-subscribe na kayo.